As the Nation Media Group has kicked off the first share buyback program in East Africa's capital markets, presenting an opportunity for shareholders to unlock value through capital gain. In the period between June 28th and September 24th, the company seeks to buy back up to 10% of its issued shares in a move which is expected to see the company's share price claw back lost ground. Julian Zamboko explains further.
A year after the Capital Markets Authority published guidelines regarding share buybacks in line with the Companies Act of 2015, Nation Media Group has set precedent as the first company to undertake an equity repurchase program in East Africa's capital markets. The board and the management of Nation Media say this exercise will enable shareholders to unlock value, coming at a time when the company's share price has been largely undervalued, particularly following the adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic.
Earnings of most businesses, including the media, plummeted, and so did the value of the stocks in most exchanges. I think you found that we are now beginning to rebound, but last year was not particularly good for most of the stock exchanges around the world. The lack of clarity on how long the pandemic was going to last and how businesses were going to re-engineer themselves and respond to the new environment also compounded the confusion among the investors.
Players in the capital markets have lauded the step taken by Nation Media as one which can help companies boost returns to shareholders at a time when the ability to disburse dividends has been constrained by the need for capital preservation.
A share buyback occurs when a company decides to buy its own shares, which is sometimes called a repurchase of the shares it has issued in the market. So Nation Media Group believes that the share price of its share is undervalued.
This share buyback demonstrates the board's confidence of the group's future performance as it continues to increase shareholders' value while focusing on its core business activities.
The share buyback by the Nation Media Group has yet again placed the Nairobi Securities Exchange on the vanguard of innovation and product diversification in Africa's capital markets.
The NSC is standing in a number of firsts. We are the first market in East and Central Africa to set up a derivatives market, first to do a real estate investment trust, first to do an ETF, first to do an Kiba retail bond in the world. So we stand doing a lot of firsts, and now today we are doing the first share buyback in the region.
It clearly demonstrates the commitment by Nation Media to capitalize on available alternative means and strategies of creating value to its shareholders.
We received plenty of guidance and support from the CMA, the NSC, and the CDSC during this process. We spent several hours in meetings, brainstorming, various computations, mechanics, timelines.
The share buyback will take place between today and September 24th, 2021, with a recommended buyback price of 25 shillings. Julian Zamboko, NTV.